Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can reset your keyboard dictionary on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up. You will see over here generals. Click on that and then scroll all the way up and you will see over here a second last option, transfer and reset iPhone. Simply click on that and then you will see this page over here. So you will see there three options over here: get started, reset, or erase all content and settings. So you have to do is click on reset on the second option, click on that, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. Also you have to do is click on the third one option, reset keyboard dictionary, and then your keyboard dictionary will be resetted and it will be in original form. And once you type over there, so you will face auto correction, auto capitalization as well, as you use your new iPhone, and then it's gonna be like that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.